In this Excel video, I will teach you how to use the AutoSum button. This is going to be fun. Let's get started. And in Excel, the sum function is probably the most commonly used function. You can just type equals sum, left parenthesis, and then put in the cell reference, maybe E2 through E51 in this case. I should put a right parenthesis, tap enter, and it adds up all of those numbers. But there's an even faster way, and that is using the AutoSum button. The AutoSum button is found on the Home tab and the Formulas tab in the ribbon. So on the Formulas tab, you'll find it here. On the Home tab, you'll find it here. To use the AutoSum button, all you have to do is select a blank cell either below a column of numbers or to the right of a row of numbers, and then click the AutoSum button. So let's try it out. I'll click here, click the AutoSum button, and Excel automatically puts in that same formula that I typed earlier. Now all I have to do is tap enter and the AutoSum is executed. I could do the same thing on the right side of a row of numbers, click the AutoSum button, tap enter, and the work is done. Alternatively, you could click and drag to select the numbers that you want to AutoSum and then just click the AutoSum button. If I go down to the bottom of this range of cells, you can see that Excel did perform an AutoSum. Now there's an even faster and perhaps better way to execute an AutoSum. So I'm going to delete the AutoSum that was done earlier, and I'll click here on E52 to show you how to do this even faster. Again, simply select a blank cell either below or to the right of data that you want to automatically add up. But this time we're going to use a keyboard shortcut. Alt equals. Just hold the Alt key, tap equals, and then tap enter, and AutoSum is automatically performed. Now, if you like AutoSum, also check out this button to the right of the AutoSum button. That enables you to do an auto average, or an auto count numbers, or auto max, or auto min. So those can also be very handy as you use Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And when you do, click the bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. If you'd like to support the channel, the best way to do that is to become a channel member, but you could also click the thanks button below the video. You could support me through my Patreon account or by buying channel merch, and you'll see more information about those options in the description below the video. Speaking of supporting the channel, thank you so much to my Super Techie channel supporters. I really appreciate all you do to support the channel. And again, just to put a word in about channel merch, buying one of these great looking t-shirts or other channel merch is a great way to show support for our work. Thank you.